Hello, we are urban gardeners of La Mesa Verde, a program at Sacred Heart Community Service in San José, California. Today, we will be going over step-by-step process of installing your own raised garden bed at home with the following materials. First, we start with cleaning up the area where you will be placing your raised garden beds, removing all the weeds because we do not want these coming up within your garden and taking over. Once the area is cleared, you can place your raised garden in the area that you chose. Choosing an area, again, that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight and has an easy access to your watering source. Once you've placed them on the ground, walk around to check that you have enough comfortable spacing in between the beds so you can work comfortably in your garden. We recommend using a long-lasting lumber such as redwood or cedar, as they are the most rot-resistant wood that stands up to the elements. Avoid pressure-treated wood as it can leach chemicals into the soil. Now comes the most aesthetically pleasing part of installing your raised garden. We want to level the bed so it doesn't end up crooked, as well as tilt more to one side. We do this by working around the borders and corners, ensuring that the bed is stable and well placed. Once the bed is leveled, we recommend placing cardboard in any area where you previously cleared out of weeds. This avoids any future weeds from coming through, removing any tape and or packaging labels, making sure your cardboard is as clean as possible. And eventually this cardboard will also decompose, so it is safe. Your garden is now ready to be filled with your soil mix. A good soil mix includes a mixture of sand, clay, compost, topsoil to ensure good drainage and nutrition. Raised garden beds have a number of advantages, including increased drainage, gardening at a comfortable height, more pest and weed control, and are also great for folks that live in the city where there may be more contaminants in your soil that you are not able to test. As you're filling in your beds, rake the soil around to make sure the bed is being filled evenly. Break up any large clumps of soil into smaller pieces. Woo! Your garden is now ready to have the drip irrigation installed or ready for planting.